Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. Pedro with you and let's begin. So first of all you'll need to go to the settings and here you will need to scroll down a little bit until you will find Face ID and passcode right here. This is the option that we need. So simply click on it and then enter your passcode that is on your iPhone. Now you are in the settings of Face ID and passcode. Now you need to scroll down a little bit once again until you will find Stole Device Protection. So simply click on it and as you can see it is turned on my device, and to turn it off we need to simply click on the first option here. Now Face ID or passcode depends on what type of security you are using, and then you will get this message. It means that you will need to start a security delay for 1 hour and then the stolen device protection will be turned off. As you can see, time remaining 1 hour, then we need to click done, and after 1 hour the stolen device protection will be turned off. And basically that is it. That is how we can turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.